Hey, we're on the Tallapoosa River. Say hello to Leticia.
Hello.
Evan and Carly.
Hey.
Cool. Guess how much gold we found?
None.
All of it.
Right, none. Because there's none here. Oh well.
All right, so we're here with Carly, Leticia, and Ben, and we're on the Tallapoosa River looking for gold. I'm Evan. I'm looking for gold too. And we found a little bit.
Tell us about it. Tell us how this whole thing works.
Well, so we're doing shovel and panning method. So we're looking under these kind of shelves.
Why?
For sediment, because it's a good trap for gold.
And why is that, Evan?
Well, because in periods of high flow, the low pressure created by these shelves allows gold to drop out of the suspended load. Gold is about 19 grams per cubic centimeter, and stuff like quartz is only 2.7. So let's see if there's enough gold in this pan to show up on this GoPro.
Hopefully.
Oh yeah? I think that'll show up on camera better than this. Ah, so there is a flick right there. Let's see what Leticia's got over here. Yeah, look at the gold sitting on there. Wonderful. So the goal is to use gravity in the presence of water to separate the gold
By density.
by density.
A decent collection.
That's a very nice flag.
Yeah.
So as Ben works this material down, the material becomes darker.
Yep.
The heavy minerals are more prevalent. It's becoming concentrated.
The heavies are usually darker.
And eventually he'll be able to look through that and find the gold.
Yep. That's the plan. Make sure to wear your sunscreen. Hey, turn around, Evan, you weirdo.
Hey.
Hey. Hey. So, making our way back upstream, back towards the bridge. These inflatable kayaks are a little bit difficult. They don't have a keel, so they're constantly doing this back and forth deal. Well, but they float. They take on water, but they float, so it works. And they hold on with gear. Anyway. Looks like we made it. Hope to see you on the next one. Later. I have a mild bit of confidence in this section here. You want to explain why, Evan?
Because it's a nice riffle between these rocks right here. Well, a riffle is a rock or something man-made that's at an angle to how the water flows, such that it creates a low pressure behind it, and it can cause gold to drop out of the suspended sediment load. They go over it
But
and then
current
kind of vortex under it.
Yeah, I forgot the current's not going that way. It's going this way.
Right.
So yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Note though, if you look at it, the current's going this way, yet the rocks are tilting that way. So that's kind of cool. It's just kind of cool, ain't it?
What's the name of that sedimentary feature that you can get an idea of the current flow?
Oh, imbrication. Note that the rocks are stacked because the current's going this way, and they're stacked like this. But that's not related to the actual river at all. The river just happens to be flowing against that tilt. Everything in this area is just tilted to the southeast, so figure that one out.
Regional geology.
Figured out.
And there we have Leticia and Carly working hard to find some gold that will not pay their daily wages.
Just trying to filter some of that finer sand through this thing. Anybody want a freshwater clam? That's also
good
they got
eating.
back home. Nah. That. Oh, a shell there. Is that a muscovite? Yeah, it's a piece of shell. Anyway, that's kind of cool.
Carly is hard at work investigating a pan for the presence or absence of gold.
That one, buddy.
Nice, let's see it.
Super tiny.
It's tiny. That's all that matters.
Let's make it easier. There you go.
Just taking a seat.
Yeah, just relax.
I do.